Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Dynamics 365 sales permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the Settings menu located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Advanced Settings from the drop-down menu. In the new window, look for the Settings option in the navigation pane. Choose Security from the drop-down options. Click on Users to view the list of all users in your organization. Select the user whose permissions you want to modify. In the user record, locate the Manage Roles button and click on it. A dialog box will appear listing all available security roles. Review the roles and check the box next to the relevant sales permissions you want to assign. Once you have selected the appropriate roles, click OK to save your changes. To confirm the changes, return to the user record and ensure the roles are listed correctly. Next, you'll want to verify if the permissions are functioning as intended. Have the user log out of Microsoft Dynamics 365, then log back in. Navigate to the Sales section to check if the permissions are now applied correctly. If the permissions do not seem to take effect, clear the user's cache and try again. Repeat these steps for any additional users who require sales permissions. Monitor user activity to ensure they are effectively utilizing their new permissions. This process helps ensure that your sales team has the access they need to perform their tasks efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.